Premiere of the Year. NANOCLEAN AIR is the only innovative full biocidal spectrum air conditioning cleaner and disinfectant on the market. All in one, cleaning and refreshing and fumigation disinfection. One product equals one process. 100% safe for the service technician. Thanks to its full biocidal spectrum, removes viruses, bacteria, fungi, mycobacteria, spores. 100% reliable and effective. Biocidal product tested according to European standards. 100% comfort for the service technician. Non-flammable agent without irritation and allergies. 100% freshness, due to effective cleaning and disinfection. NANOCLEAN AIR will take you to a land of freshness and nature. NANOCLEAN AIR, #1 choice for service technicians. NANOCLEAN AIR, HVAC disinfection leader. nanoclean-air.com